Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we will talk about HubSpot. We will go through pros and cons. I'll tell you more about this product. We'll compare the pricing plans to see if it's really worth the buck. So let's start what it is, HubSpot CRM in this case. It's a forever free customer relationship management software that provides solution to all your CRM needs. HubSpot CRM automates the tasks for your salespeople, which allows more work with less data entry. The interactions are tracked down automatically, and a separate visual dashboard displays deals for total visibility. Now handle up to 1 million contacts. Users can storage without any expiration date, all of it without paying a penny. With HubSpot CRM, you can also send emails in a personalized sequence, which is delivered as per schedule you set. You can get notified whenever any lead opens your email so that you know how to follow up with that particular lead. They are providing great 24/7 live support during business hours and even online, as you can see with this HubSpot bot, and it's really great. It's made for all kinds of businesses, large, medium and small. You can run it on your browser and also on your mobile, Android and iOS as well. The greatest feature about it is that it's free, but you can also get a paid subscription, which is $45 per month if you're billed yearly, with a starter pack that I'm going to show you right now. Then $450 per month billed yearly, which is $5,400 yearly, and then $1,200 a month, which is $14,400 with all the features basically unlocked. And also it's for more paid users with all the deals required. So when we jump into it, we have marketing, sales, and all the other hubs: marketing, sales, service, CMS, and operations hub. Let's just jump into our account that we created for this reason. So as you can see, it's very easy to go through. First things first, you have to add people to your HubSpot. For example, contacts. Yet again, in this one that I created just to show you how it's done, not to show you my actual HubSpot account, you have some contacts that you can already work with. So how we are going to add another one? It's very easy. Top right corner, you can import from your sync or devices, or create a contact. Once you click on create contact, this pop-up window will show up, and we can start with the email. Let's go with like this. Let's go with Adam P, contact owner, job title. Let's go like this. We don't have the phone number. Now we can set him a role, which is subscriber, lead, marketing qualified lead, sales qualified lead, opportunity customer evangelist, or other. Let's go with lead. Lead status, here's a new one. Now we can create the contact straight away. As you can see, this I made up by some random page. And let's say his contact is done. We can go back. Now you can also assign the contact owners who came up with each and every contact. You can see then by my contacts, which are mine, that I brought up. You can add some other stuff to these contacts, and also unassigned contacts, that we have the contact, but we are not aware who's responsible for bringing in the contact itself. So let's go and start with companies. Now we don't have any company, so we have to add another one. It's very easy. Yet again, we have either import or create company like this. Company domain name, let's go with wot.com, like this. Company owner can go like this. Industry, let's go with accounting. Type, let's go with reseller. City, Bratislava. State, a region, Slovakia. Let's go like this. Number of employees, let's go with 1000. Annual time zone, GMT +1. And we can create a company. Straight away, yet again, we have our company and all the details that we need for contacting. Then calls, it goes by the same view, so we don't have to go through it. Then finally, our inbox. In our inbox, it's like a classic mail, but you can see, as I said in the start, when does the person you send the email open the email, so you can work with him on the emails. Let's go with compose, for example. We can select the recipients. Let's go like this. Let's go, his name is Adam Pye. Subject, offer 2022. Hello, and all the other stuff. Then we send the message to the contact that we created. Now we can check the inbox settings if more people is working on this account or not. Assign to me all conversations. We can just try to reply on the account that we created. One moment. As you can see, we have it here. All the unnecessary ads, you know it. Let's reply with hello. And we're sending it back. Now we have to wait when they reply, but it works like every other. As you can see, we replied. And we can start the conversation through the HubSpot. Very easy way, very nice way. With marketing, we can go to ads, also email, but we have to basically pay up for this one. Also, we have campaigns, we have sales option, as you can see straight from below. But you can even go with multiple options, with a few features from marketing, with sales and service all together. We have really nice ways how to get or try to go with deals and all the other stuff that you can use as your average CRM that we will follow in the next videos about HubSpot. I will teach you how to create more owners or more data about your contacts, views, and really all the stuff that you can need at HubSpot. So we'll teach how to work in it more precisely. And that's about it as a beginner's guide. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like and subscribe if you liked the video. And also, if you have any questions, please leave them underneath this video. I'll try to answer them as fast as possible, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.